No, please.
No, please.
Yes, Gabash. Hello. Welcome to Greg House. We're here for special record on the mobile phone. Here we have the midget. His name Greg. Hello, Greg. Good afternoon to you. My name, Lanky. Hello.
Lanky.
And this is Fat Shit Boy. Fat Shit Boy, he is very fat. You see this doorway over here? We had to push him through using a crane. He is so big. And we are talking on Musna. Your friend. And we are this.
Talking on Musna.
I will read to you in case you are retarded and cannot read. No sauce. Look, I like Niall, so do carefully. She is just upset that he doesn't get us. As much as a boyfriend should. What the fuck did I go to deserve what you said? I thought it was Catherine. You have the palm tree. Here my display picture. And it's my palm trees. There my display picture. And this is Abby's picture. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Is it Abby?
Yep, this is Abby's display picture. I don't know what the fuck it is. And now we go back to Musta.
Oh, she's writing a message.
I don't care. She is bullshit. Anyway, alright. This is Elaine. She is like me.
And didn't you ask her out last year?
What the fuck?
You asked her out last year, didn't you?
Don't cramp my style. I am much cooler than you.
Stop this!
I am much cooler than you, Fat Shit Boy.
You asked her out on a bit of paper.
Don't disrespect
Don't do anything.
my family, alright? Alright?
What's your name? What are you?
I am a knob. This is my title. We came up with this. It's great wood.
Apart from no, what are you? Are you lanky?
I'm a lanky fucking girl. Midget boy is resting on my balls. He's very gay.
Right, Nancy.
Give me that second. No, give me that second, please. I like to film you. You make great actor on my movie.
Fuck off.
Here we have Fat Shit Boy. Look at that belly. Bloody hell. Now, what the hell we do now?
You must phone back.
Come on!
It's not on yet. You ready? Ready? Get ready, Henry. It's on. Wait. I can't find the button. Wait. It's just focusing. And wait. Hey, go!
Yes, Kabish. I don't see it. I'm almost now with my friends.
No, do that yeah again. Even no face.
What?
He's such a dickhead, look at him. It's the ultimate happy Henry.
In my day, we called sandwiches, not sandwiches.
What did you call sandwiches?
I don't know. We didn't have sandwiches. My grandfather once told me not to smoke crack. You know why? Why? He smoked the cracky wacky. It made him go like this. Anyway, Uncle Henry, remember these children, don't smoke crack or don't eat sandwich. It will make you like this.
Don't eat sandwich.
I'll see you on Monday.
Shut it off. Henry, shut it off.
Oh, wow. You do fucking people.
That's so funny.
Right.
Stop it now. That was well funny.
Well, I'm sorry. We are very sorry. We didn't mean to offend you. Okay.
No, read it on the cool voice. No, don't read that. Henry, that was well funny. Talk to me.
Hi.
Please don't move.
What?
Come on.
Say what?
Say something funny.
Why?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, go.
Hello.
Yeah! Piss off, Craig. You haven't got much time.
I'm Henry. I'm a gnome. I'm also called Damian. I'm a lanky git. And this is great fun.
My foot.
Now this is the belly slab downstairs.
Craig, don't get in the way.
Yeah!